Hello everybody, Jeff here with AZ Camera Reviews, and today we're going to be talking about my car and storage. Now when you park a car for a long period of time on a cement substructure, what happens is your tires can go flat. So you want to take steps if you have really expensive tires on your car so that they won't go flat. First thing you want to do is you want to overinflate your tires a little bit. The second thing is I bought this product right here, which is really nice. This is how it comes packed. It comes with 2 platforms for your wheels to go on, and it comes with a bag. Now, I've already taken the time to unpack one of them, and this is what the bag looks like. It's a really nice bag, and it'll hold up to 4 platforms. I ordered 2 sets, and you open them up. This is how they look inside, and this is what the platforms look like. They're made out of a very hard rubber compound, and basically what you want to do is you want to place them on the ground in front of your tires. And that's basically where you want them to be. But I'm going to take this one, I'm going to put it right in front of this tire. And then I'm going to take this one here, I'm going to put it right in front of this tire. And you want to center them up so that they're right in the center of the tire, like right here. And now what I'll do is I'll drive the car up on these platforms and show you what it's supposed to look like when it's at rest. So after moving the car, this is what it should look like. This will keep your tires from going flat. So that's how these car mats work. Basically, like I said, they go underneath the wheels to keep your tires from going flat. They're really flexible. They're made out of hard rubber. I think they're really well made, in my opinion. So until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying, please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, hit that subscribe button down below so we can continue to buy products and show you how they work. Until next time, bye-bye.